So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Coin Master here on Swagbucks. So once the Swagbucks app is opened up, which it's opened up right now, go to the bottom left between Home and Surveys, press on Games, and then press on Get Started. It'll then bring you to this new screen right here, where if you were to go ahead and go to the top right to where it says most popular, because we are looking for the game Coin Master here, I'm going to sort this by A to Z. Simply just scroll down until you guys get to the C section here. So we're going to keep scrolling down, just past B's, etc. Once we're here, we're going to scroll down to where it says Coin Master. Earn up to 16,951 swag bucks. And how you guys can do that is by, I'll show you guys right now. So if I were to press on it, first and foremost, you have to download the game, press get now. But once you guys have the game downloaded, basically the further you progress through, so if you were to reach Village 3, Village 7, Village 10, etc., you can earn swag bucks. And the more swag bucks you accumulate and earn, the more you can cash in and earn yourself gift cards and other stuff as well, considering that's a way just to play some games and earn some real cash. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make real money by playing Coin Master here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.